So growing up in Honolulu and now returning annually to visit family, January has been my favorite time to visit Hawaii. In this video, we'll share more details about why it's so great.
Number 1, the weather. It's well past hurricane season, it's not as hot and humid as it can get in the summer, and it's usually not as rainy as February and March.
2, it's a shoulder season. A week or two after the new year, prices of all things, flights, hotels, car rentals, etc., drop significantly.
If you are able to, try to delay your holiday travel to Hawaii until after the holidays. You'll not only score better prices, but also see fewer crowds.
3, winter activities. We're not talking about cold and snow activities. We're talking about big wave surfing, whale watching, Honolulu city lights, New Year celebrations, and other festivals that only take place during this time of year.
We have free guides on our blog about all the things you can do around Honolulu and also Kona on the Big Island.
There's no place I'd rather be celebrating New Year's Eve in the world than Hawaii.
We did mention that it's expensive to fly during the holidays, but if you're able to, try to be in Hawaii by December 31st. Here's why.
So Hawaii people love to celebrate, especially with fireworks. There are shows in lots of tourist areas, but the real experience is all throughout the islands in neighborhoods where families gather and play their own fireworks. Both sides of my family host big family reunions with lots of food, games around this time of year.
We are at the annual reunion for my dad's side.
On New Year's Eve, we gather with my mom's side and everyone stays up late.
It's New Year's Eve and we're at the family New Year's Eve party.
We get firework permits for ground-based firecrackers, and at home we watch the aerial fireworks all around us at midnight. Then we eat saimin for good luck in the new year.
On the 1st, we get together with all those family members again to enjoy traditional Japanese food made by Jedd's aunt, play more games, and share a sake toast.
We're at my family's New Year's Day party, and this is something we've been doing for a long time.
I've never found anywhere else in the States that treats New Year's with this much cultural ritual, so if you want a place to enjoy a special year-end celebration, head to Hawaii.